Trayvon, welcome.
Hello.
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 Hello, Destani. How are you?
Good.
Good. Welcome.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And you're Elijah, right? Welcome, Elijah. Hello, Jason.
What's good, Mr. Weiss?
What's good? Lachey. Hey. I think you add another E or two every time. Hello, Dre. Hello, Sanaya. Hello, Javon. Hello, Allie. Good afternoon, Allie. And hello, Paul. You okay? Hello, Cornell. Hello, Jason.
Good.
What's going on?
You wrote my reflection. My
I did.
Oh, all right. Well, you wrote good about me. Say yes.
Partially.
Scared.
I usually I usually don't give excellence. You got pretty much all good.
Okay.
I mentioned how your best quality is how you always go after the A. So I did mention that. Hello there, Jaden. Hello, Cornell. Hello, Donovan. Hi, Kayla. Why did the Scarecrow get promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field. Why did Snoop Dogg carry an umbrella? Faux drizzle. What do you call a pony with a sore throat? A little horse. What do you call a fish with no eye? What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back? A stick. Hello, Anthony. What kind of car does an egg drive? A Volkswagen. What do you call a factory that sells generally decent goods? A satisfactory. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Why should you never eat a clock? Because it's so time consuming. What should a sick bird do? Go for treatment. All righty. So, by the way, I continue to get emails like, Mr. Weiss, can I do my assignments for credit? Do you know me? Yes. Do your assignments, I'll give you credit. Oh, okay. Can I fix my assignments for a better grade? Do you know me? Yes. Not only can you, but you should. What are you waiting for? I don't understand the people that are sending me those emails. Yes, do your work. You'll get your credit. Okay, Eleniani. All right. Today we're going to continue with circles. Okay. We're going to start with this. Okay. These are called chords. Chords. What's a chord? A chord is, for example, this from here to here. That's a chord. Okay. That yellow segment is a chord. This orange segment is a chord. Okay. A chord goes from one point on a circle to another point on a circle. Okay, that's a chord. Okay. When you have two chords like this that intersect, okay, A times B equals C times D. A times B equals C times D. Okay, so for example, all right, 6 times X equals 4 times 9. Okay, 6 times X equals 4 times 9. 6X equals 36. What do I do to both sides? Divide by 6. X equals 6. Okay. May I have a thumbs up if you understand what I just did there, please? Thank you, Mandy. Jaden, thank you. Lachey, Tastani, thank you. Jay Sean, thank you. Cornell, Javon, Trayvon, Jaden, Niani, Jonathan, Gerard, Jasmine, thank you. Very good. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Anthony, thank you. Sometimes the numbers might be a little bigger. Okay. No problem. 14 times X equals 7 times 16. All right. Handy dandy calculator, because I don't know what 7 times 16 is. 7 times 16, 112. All right. 14X equals 112. Divide by 14. What is 112 divided by 14? 8. X equals 8. Not so painful. Easy. Easy like Sunday morning. All right. Over here. (14x) equals 10 times 21. Oh, I know what 10 times 21 is. 14x equals 210. Divide by 14. 210 divided by 14 equals 15. All right. Oh, so I forgot. I wanted you to do this. Would you please take a picture of this? All right. Either take a picture of this or draw it on a piece of paper. AB equals CD. All right. Take a picture. Because by the time when the time comes for you to do the assignment, I'm afraid you might forget what the equation was. Okay. All right. Next. Okay. Take a picture of this, please. Okay. And this one, you have two secants. What is a secant? From here all the way through the circle, this is called a secant. A line that comes from outside the circle that goes through the circle to the other end. That's called a secant. This one is also called a secant. Okay. So A is in pink. A, so the pink times the yellow equals, come on, the green times the orange. The pink times the yellow equals the green times the orange. Okay. A times A plus B equals C times C plus D. All right. Would you take a picture of that, please? Or draw it? Okay. Let's check out an example. All right. Six times 6 plus X equals 7 times 7 plus 5. Okay. So I'm going to distribute, yum. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 6X equals, I'm going to do 7 times 12. Okay. 7 times 12 is 80.
Are you only distributing because it's not
Because I can't combine 6 plus X. Because I can combine 7 plus 5, I'm doing that. I could distribute 7 times 7 and 7 times 5. It'll give me the same number. I could do 49 plus 35. That gives me 84. 7 times 12 gives me 84. Either way, you're going to get 84. Okay. So I get 36 plus 6x equals 84. What do I do to both sides? I minus 36 from both sides. That gives me 48. Why am I
Mr.
down?
Watts, could you erase the arrows, please?
Erase the arrows. I can do that. Okay. Okay, so 6x equals 48. Divide by 6. X equals 8. All right. May I have a thumbs up if you understand what I did there, please? Trayvon, thank you. Destani, thank you. Deshaun, thank you. Lachey, Jaden, Donovan Cordell, Paul, Anthony, Jasmine, thank you very much. Andy, thank you. All right. Gerard, you good over there? You in front of your computer there, Gerard, or did you sneak away? Very good, very good. Thank you, Gerard. All right, all right, all right. Next. Okay. Seven times 7 plus x equals 6 times 6 plus 8. I'm going to distribute. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 7x equals 6 times 14. What is 6 times 14? 6 times 14 is 84. 49 plus 7x equals 84. I'm going to minus 49. Seven x equals 35. Divide by 7. X equals 5. Easy, man. Okay. One more time. Four times 4 plus x equals 3 times 3 plus 5. Distribute 16 plus 4x equals 3 times 8. 16 plus 4x equals 24. Minus 16 from both sides. 4x equals 8. Divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. Let me think. 8 divided by 4. It's 2. X equals 2. T for 2 and 2 for T. Me for you and you for me. Alrighty. Now, did you take that picture? Because we're doing 3 different kinds of problems here today. I don't want you to forget which is which here. All right. One more for today. One more. One more night. One more night. Here we go. This is called a tangent. That is a tangent. You have a tangent and a secant. Okay. When you have a tangent and a secant, then a squared equals b times b plus c. Take a picture of that, please. Got your picture? All right. For example, uh-huh. 12 squared equals 8 times 8 plus x. All right. 12 squared is 144 equals distributing 64 plus 8x. I'm going to minus 64 from both sides. $80 equals 8x. Divide by 8. X equals 10. May I have a thumbs up if you're okay with that one? Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Mandy. Destani, thank you. Deshaun, Trayvon, thank you. Kayla,
Oh yeah,
Anthony.
understandable.
Dre, you said understandable?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Anthony, Niani, Jasmine, Cornell, Lachey. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very good, very good. I'm glad I'm being understandable today. I like when I'm understandable. Understandable, overstandable, instandable, outstandable. You know, whatever it takes. Next case. All right, all right, all right, here we go. 6 squared equals 4 times 4 plus x. 36 equals, distribute, 16 plus 4x. Minus 16 from both sides. 36 minus 16 is 20. 20 equals 4x. Divide 4. X equals 5. Easy, man. Sometimes the numbers are bigger. Okay. I'm not scared. 18 squared equals 12 times 12 plus x. 18 squared is 324. Yes, 324. 324 equals, distribute 12 times 12 is 144 plus 12x. Minus 144 from both sides. $180 equals 12x. It does matter which number is squared. The one that's the tangent gets squared. Do not square the other one. I mean, you're going to square the other one sort of when you distribute, but the 18 is the one that always gets squared. Okay. Divide by 12. And 180 divided by 12 gives me 15. 15. Okay, you're welcome. All right. Easy. Let's take a look at your assignment. Delta math, Jason, you've got to be happy about this. I'm doing like 3 delta math assignments in a row. That has got to make you happy. All right. Nine times x equals 2 times 36, right? 9 times x equals 2 times 36. 9x equals 72. Divide by 9, x equals 8. Okay, easy enough. You have 4 problems like that, and you have 4 problems like this. All right, 6 times 6 plus x equals 4 times 4 plus 17. Right? 6 times 6 plus x equals 4 times 4 plus 17. 36 plus 6x equals 4 times 21. 4 times 21 is 84 minus 36 from both sides. 84 minus 36 is 48. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Easy, man. And then you have 4 problems like this. Uh-oh. I didn't show you this today. The assignment is, oh, Destani, thank you for asking that. I have to work with you. The 3 new people that came to class today, I'm going to take care of you. Just let me finish this, and then I'm going to work with you to show you
Okay.
how to log in.
Okay.
Yes, good question. Thank you for asking that. Okay, here, what gets squared? The x gets squared this time. So it's x squared equals 8 times 8 plus 10, right? X squared equals 8 times 8 plus 10, or 8 times 18. 8 times 18 is 144. So you have to take the square root, right? Because we had x squared. We want to know what x is, so we take the square root of 144. The square root of 144 is 12. Okay?
Mr. Weiss,
Talk to me, Jay Sean.
wouldn't it be easier if it's like that to just do the right side and then do the get the square out of it?
Yes, I mean, if that's easier for you, do it that way, please. Yes. Okay. Now that I saw that, let me just see something. Let me just see something. Hold on. No. I don't think that's gonna, you're not gonna have x squared with any of these problems. Okay, never mind. All right. Okay. So now, all right. Okay, those of you who are not new to this class today, go to it on Delta Math. Those of you new to this class today, all right, hold on one moment here. So Destani and
Yeah,
Trayvon and Elijah,
yeah,
all right? Okay, you're watching here. Please, on your computer, go to deltamath.com. deltamath.com. Okay. All right, now, you guys are gonna go up here where it says create account. Go to create account and click on student. Okay,
mm-hmm, when
when you get there, all right, the teacher code is 227384. Do you see how my name comes up automatically?
okay,
Okay,
yeah,
go to class, hit select, and go to fourth geometry. Click on fourth geometry. Okay,
mm-hmm,
now, all right, here, put your first name, whatever your first name is. No, because please put your real name, because I'm going to go in and check your score. If I don't know who you are, it's gonna be your name that's gonna get the credit, okay? Because I use this to give you your credit for doing the work. Okay?
mm-hmm,
Now, I recommend that your username be your email or something that you normally use. Or you could use the first letter of your first name and your last name, something like that. G. Washington, if that were you, okay? Or you could do George Washington, or whatever username you're gonna remember easily, okay? Or you could use your school ID number. That works well too. And you have to do it twice, okay? Now, I highly recommend for a password that you use your school computer password. You know your school computer password? If you know it, please use that. Otherwise, use a password that will be very easy for you to remember, because I will not have access to your password. The only thing I'll be able to do is reset your password, and you'll have to create a new one. Okay,
okay, I did
so
that already.
put your password in twice. Then, now, sometimes what happens is, okay, this happens sometimes, and you have to go back to create account, hit student, and everything is still there, but you have to like scroll down, okay? What I have to do is scroll down using my keyboard, the down arrow, in order to click create account. Okay, click create account. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
You got it?
Yeah,
Now-
it worked.
Good. Once you're there, you should be able to see today's assignment that should say 10.1.2 chords, tangent, and secant.
Oh, yeah, I see
Right.
it.
You got it? Click on that and go. Okay. Deltamath.com. The assignment should be 10.1.2 chords, tangents. Yeah. Oh, yeah, go ahead, click on this. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Sorry, click on it again. Yeah, so you do each of these three. Other than the first one. All right, so, Trayvon, Destani, and Elijah, just so
Yeah.
you guys know, I try to give assignments that are easily completable during the class, so you don't have to worry about homework, all right?
Okay.
So my hope is that you guys will finish this during the class time, so you don't have to worry about homework, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, if you have questions, I'm sitting here. Don't feel bad about asking. And if you do feel bad about asking, go ahead and private message me so nobody has to know that you're asking me a question. Okay? No problem. So here's what I'm going to have you do. Would you share your screen?
Yeah.
Go for it. All right. So do you have like a piece of paper to do your scratch work on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you're going to do 14 times X equals 7 times 4. Okay.
Yeah.
You get 14X equals 28, right?
Yeah.
Then what do you do to both sides?
Divide by 14.
That's right. And you get da, 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 da.
I don't know.
That's okay. You got a calculator there on your phone?
No.
You don't own a calculator?
No.
Okay. Do you know how to get to the computer calculator?
Yeah, I have one on here.
Okay. Go to the computer calculator. And do 28 divided by 14.
It's 2.
So just type 2. And you don't type X equals, just type 2 and hit submit answer. It'll say, are you sure? You say yes. Boom, shagalaga. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So I'm gonna ask you this then.
Mm-hmm.
Are you able to do a screenshot on your computer? Yes?
No, I don't know how to do that.
Oh, do you have Microsoft Word on your computer?
Like, yeah, I think, yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah, I have one.
okay, okay. So I want you to, so watch this first. Do you see my
Okay.
screen?
Yes.
Do you see insert?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see screenshot here?
Yeah.
Okay, you click on screenshot and you go to screen clipping.
Okay.
You click on that and it gives you this screen here. And hold on a second.
Okay.
Oh, I know what happened. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So I'm sorry. Insert screenshot. I'm going to go to screen clipping.
Okay.
Okay. And then I put this little cross thingy and I hold my button down and I slide across everything I want copied. And then
Okay.
once I let go, boom, it shows up on Microsoft Word, copied.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I want you to try that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Open up Microsoft Word and click on Insert and Screenshot. And see if you can copy what's on the screen here.
This screen clipping, right?
Screen clipping, yes, ma'am.
Oh, because I didn't even press this. No. Third screenshot.
Tell me if it works.
It worked.
All right.
There we
So
go.
now let's do that again
Okay.
for this one.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
It's gonna be on the same Word document, right?
Put it on the same Word document so you can keep it, all of your formulas basically on one document. So you can refer to the one document when you're doing your homework or your assignment.
Okay. Hold on.
I'm holding. Take your time.
Okay.
Did it work?
Almost. I'm trying to get it to work now. Wow. Okay, hold on. Okay, it worked.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, I
Now
got
one more time.
it.
Do this one.
Okay. Got it.
All right. So
Yeah.
now, when you do your assignment, if you forget how, just refer to those 3 equations, okay?
Okay.
Or ask me if you still don't, if it still doesn't work.
Huh? Dang it. Messed up.
You're allowed to make mistakes.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Jay Sean, have a good weekend. Stay no to drugs.
You too, Mr. Wise.
Peace.
I got the first ones correct.
Woohoo! Ooh, 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 ooh.
It might take me a while, Mr.
It's
Wilson.
okay. Take your time. I mean, if you don't finish during class, that's okay.
Okay.
I'm trying to make it so it doesn't take you that long, though. Sounds good, Jasmine. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. All right, gang, I'm going to end today's meeting. If you have questions, go ahead and email me. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.